Take roughly 3/4 of the soil and place it into the porcelain dish. Assume that the soil was previously passed through a number 40 sieve, air dried, and then pulverized. Thoroughly mix the soil with a small amount of distilled water until it appears as a smooth, uniform paste. Step 2. Weigh 6 of the empty moisture cans with their lids and record the respective weights and can numbers on the datasheet. Step 3. Adjust the liquid limit apparatus by checking the height of the drop of the cup. The point on the cup that comes with contact with the base should rise to a height of 10 mm. The block on the end of the groving tool is 10 mm high and should be used as a gauge. Practice using the cup and determine the correct rate to rotate the crank so that the cup drops approximately 2 times per second. At the point where the cup rests on the base, place a portion of the previously mixed soil into the cup of the liquid limit apparatus. Squeeze the soil down to eliminate air pockets and spread it into the cup to a depth of about 10 mm at its deepest point. The soil pad should form an approximately horizontal surface. Use the grooving tool carefully. Cut a clean straight groove down the center of the cup. The tool should remain perpendicular to the surface of the cup as groove is being made. Use extreme care to prevent sliding the soil relative to the surface of the cup. Step 6. Make sure that the base of the apparatus below the cup and the underside of the cup is clean of soil. Turn the crank of the apparatus at a rate of approximately 2 drops per second and count the number of drops it takes to make 2 halves of the soil pad come in contact at the bottom of the groove along a distance of 13 mm. If the number of drops exceeds 50, then go directly to step 8 and do not record the number of drops. Otherwise, record the number of drops on the datasheet. Take a sample using the spatula from edge to edge of the soil pad. The sample should include the soil on both sides of where the groove came into contact. Place the soil into a moisture can and cover it. Immediately weigh the moisture can containing the soil, remove the lid, and place the can into the oven. Leave the moisture can in the oven for at least 16 hours. 8. Last step. Immediately weigh the dry soil to determine the water content from each trial by using the same method used in the second experiment. Remember to use the same balance for all weighing.